Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video on creating an HR recruitment dashboard in Bold BI. This tutorial shows how to design an effective HR recruitment dashboard in Bold BI to track and analyze the hiring process. It covers connecting recruitment data, modeling key HR metrics, and creating interactive visualizations. The dashboard helps HR teams monitor candidate pipelines, hiring efficiency, and recruiter performance. Centralizing insights enables faster, data-driven recruitment decisions. Let me start by creating a new dashboard and naming it HR Recruitment Dashboard. I connect the HR recruitment data stored in PostgreSQL and enter the required connection details. The data source name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Next, I select Connect to open the Query Designer. Add the application status table to the Query Designer. I select Run to preview the data and confirm that records are retrieved correctly. Save the data source. Next, I connect the HR recruitment view data stored in PostgreSQL. Enter the required connection details. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. Add the HR recruitment view table to the Query Designer. Save the data source. Then, add a combo box. Name it Department. Add the department to Assign Data field. In Basic Settings, click Allow Filter. In the Filter section, disable Persist Virtual Selection. In Container Appearance, set the font size. Next, add a number card. And name it Time to Fill Vacancy. Drag the time to fill to actual value. Change format to average. And set the days on the right. In the Appearance setting, change the horizontal alignment to center. In the Measure section, adjust font size. In the title, disable Auto Font Size. And change position to top. In Animation, click Enable Animation. Add another number card. And name it Cost per Hire. Drag the cost to hire to the Measure section. Change format to currency. Customize its properties. Next, add another number card. And name it Time to Hire Candidates. Drag the Time to Hire to Measure section. And change format to average. And set days on the right. Customize its properties. Add a KPI card. Name it Offer Acceptance Rate. Add expressions for hired candidates. And offers initiated. Drag the hired candidates to actual value. And offers initiated to target value. In KPI value, change the type to % of target. And adjust the font size. In the indicator, disable Show icon. In the left value, disable both auto font sizes. And change the name to Accepted. In the right, disable both auto font sizes. And change the name to Provided. Next, add another KPI card. Name it Rejection Rate. Add expressions for shortlisted candidates and rejected candidates. Drag the rejected candidates to actual value and application ID to target value. Customize its properties. Add another KPI card. Name it Hire Conversion. Drag the hired candidates to actual value and shortlisted candidates to target value. Customize its properties. Add another KPI card. Name it Vacancy Fill Rate. Drag hired candidates to actual value and current vacancy to target value. Customize its properties. Add a bar chart and name it Recruitment Stage Count. Drag the count to value. Add application status to the column field. In basic settings, select Enable Animation and Show Value Label. In the Legend section, disable interactivity. In Axis, disable both axis titles. Then, in Container Appearance, adjust the font size. Add a bar chart. And name it Open Positions by Department. Drag current vacancy to value. Add department to the column. And customize its properties. Add another bar chart. And name it Reason for Client's Decline. Add the expression for client decline percentage and client decline reason. Drag the client decline percentage to value. Add the decline reason to the column field. Customize its properties. Now, everything is ready to preview the dashboard. Click Preview and the dashboard will render in preview mode. When I select a department in the widget, data in the other widgets is updated. You can publish the dashboard by clicking the Publish button. In this video, you've learned how to create an HR recruitment dashboard in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. To try Bold BI, start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, click the Request Demo button to schedule a call. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.